Welcome to the ultimate video to bodyweight exercises that will have you feeling the burn without ever stepping foot in a gym or touching a single dumbbell. Whether you're stuck at home, traveling, or just looking to switch up your workout routine, these exercises will help you build strength, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. So put on your workout gear, find a bit of space, and get ready to sweat. Push-ups, the classic upper body burner. Push-ups are the bread and butter of bodyweight exercises, providing a comprehensive workout for your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. The beauty of the push-up lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can modify it to suit your fitness level by adjusting the angle or adding variations like diamond push-ups or clapping push-ups. Start in a plank position, keep your body straight, and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position, ensuring your elbows stay close to your body. Not only does this exercise build upper body strength, but it also engages your core, making it a great full body movement. Additionally, push-ups improve posture and support shoulder stability, making them a fundamental exercise for all fitness levels. You can perform them anywhere, making them perfect for at-home or travel workouts. Squats, king of lower body workouts. Squats are a powerhouse exercise that targets the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. They're essential for building lower body strength and improving overall balance and coordination. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting into a chair, and keep your chest up and knees over your toes. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels. Squats can be varied with jump squats, single leg squats, or by holding the squat position to increase intensity. This exercise not only strengthens your legs, but also engages your core, making it a key move in any full body workout. Squats also help in enhancing mobility and flexibility in your hips and lower back, reducing the risk of injuries during other activities. Burpees, full body cardio crusher. Burpees are the epitome of a full body workout, combining strength training with cardiovascular conditioning. This high-intensity exercise works your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core while getting your heart rate up. Start standing. Drop into a squat. Kick your feet back into a plank. Do a push-up, return to the squat, and jump explosively into the air. Burpees are tough, but their benefits are immense, from improving endurance to burning calories. They can be modified to suit different fitness levels, making them a versatile and effective addition to your routine. Regularly incorporating burpees into your workouts can significantly boost your metabolic rate and enhance your overall athletic performance. Plank, core stability superstar. The plank is an isometric core exercise that works your entire body, particularly the abdominals, back, shoulders, and glutes. Begin in a forearm plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as possible, keeping your core tight and hips level. Variations like side planks, plank jacks, or plank reaches can add variety and challenge. The plank is excellent for building core strength and stability, which is crucial for overall fitness and injury prevention. Plus, it's a great way to improve your posture and balance. Holding a plank for extended periods also enhances your mental toughness and endurance. Furthermore, planks can improve muscular endurance, making other physical activities easier, and they are known to reduce back pain by strengthening the muscles around your spine. Regularly incorporating planks into your routine can significantly enhance your overall body composition and functional fitness. Lunges, lower body sculptor. Lunges target the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves, while also improving balance and coordination. Start by standing tall, then step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. You can vary lunges with side lunges, reverse lunges, or walking lunges to keep things interesting. This exercise is fantastic for toning the lower body and can be intensified by holding weights or increasing the depth of the lunge. Additionally, lunges enhance functional movement patterns, which can improve your performance in daily activities and other sports. Regularly incorporating lunges into your routine can also boost hip flexibility and stability, reducing the risk of injuries. Moreover, lunges engage the core muscles, promoting better overall body strength and endurance, making them a well-rounded addition to any fitness program. Glute bridges, hip and core hero. Glute bridges are perfect for targeting the glutes, lower back, and core. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling by squeezing your glutes and keeping your core tight. Hold at the top for a second before lowering back down. Variations include single leg bridges or adding a resistance band around your thighs. This exercise helps strengthen and tone the glutes while also working the lower back and core, making it essential for a balanced workout routine. Consistent practice of glute bridges can also help alleviate lower back pain and improve your overall hip mobility. Bicycle crunches, abdominal assassin. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic exercise that targets the rectus abdominis and obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted. Bring one knee towards your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards the knee. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. This exercise not only strengthens the core, but also improves coordination and balance. The twisting motion ensures a comprehensive workout for the abs, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. Including bicycle crunches in your routine can help you achieve a more defined waistline and improve overall core stability. Superman, back and glute builder. Superman exercises target the lower and upper back, glutes, and shoulders. Lie face down with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously, creating a U shape with your body. Hold for a few seconds before lowering back down. This exercise is excellent for improving posture, strengthening the back muscles, and engaging the glutes. It's a great way to counteract the effects of sitting for long periods and improve overall spinal health. Regularly performing Superman exercises can also enhance your performance in other back-intensive activities like deadlifts and rowing. Dips, tricep tormentor. Dips are an effective upper body exercise that targets the triceps, chest, and shoulders. Use a sturdy chair or bench and place your hands behind you, fingers facing forward. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the floor, then push back up. Dips can be varied by changing the leg position or adding weight. This exercise helps build upper body strength and is particularly good for sculpting the triceps. It's a simple yet powerful move that can be done almost anywhere. Dips also enhance your pushing strength, which is beneficial for activities like bench pressing and push-ups. Mountain climbers, cardio and core combo. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity exercise that combines cardio and core strength. Start in a plank position, then quickly alternate bringing one knee towards your chest, mimicking a running motion. Keep your core tight and move as fast as possible while maintaining proper form. This exercise is great for burning calories, improving cardiovascular fitness, and strengthening the core. It's a fantastic way to get a quick, effective workout that hits multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Mountain climbers also improve agility and coordination, making them a great addition to any high-intensity interval training routine. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your future fit self will thank you. Also, tap the notification bell so you'd never miss a workout. Stay strong, stay motivated, and remember, the only bad workout is the one you didn't do. Now go out there and get sweaty.